How to withdraw money from Freecash app. So first up, guys, you need to of course sign up for the account. When you sign up, you will be of course able to manage and browse different offers. As you can see, I have 3 offers available, and you just play these games and cash, and then you'll be able to withdraw. To do that, you go to cash out tab right over here. And as you can see in here, we have this redeem your free cash earnings directly to PayPal, Amazon, Bitcoin, and more. So we have multiple choices. So if you want to use crypto, you have the 4 available coins in here. One of them is Bitcoin, which is really cool. And also we have the most popular, which is PayPal and Visa Prepaid. So if you want to withdraw to PayPal, you just click on it and you choose the amount. Say you want to go for $100, $0 to $100. Then confirm, understand, you choose your PayPal account. You need to provide the PayPal that will have your email address connected to it, and then you press on withdraw. And then in a bit of time, your cash and your earnings will land on your PayPal, and then you do whatever you wish with them. That's pretty much it, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.